Okay, so we have been here for 2 days now. I just had my breakfast. I just posted that to Instagram. And this is the state of my kitchen. I have to focus like on one spot. Like we tried working in here and then we take stuff from here to another room and then you get stuck in that room. Jeff started his new job today, so it's just me. So I just need to focus on one spot, one place. If I can get this cleaned up and organized and put everything away, no decorating, just make it a functional kitchen and be able to get dinner on, I will be happy. So that's what we're going to try to do today. My new furniture and stuff hasn't arrived yet. So I just need to get it to be a functional kitchen. If I can do that, I will be happy.
I see something, it's coming up on the horizon. Oh, let me clear my head and get rid of the distractions. Oh, I was down when I saw you in the clouds. Out of days, filled with doubt. I was drifting in and out, levitate, fade away. I had left full time and space, but you just caught my eye. Hey, nah, please won't you come over? Let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, delve into emotion, leave us in this moment. Delve into emotion, leave us in this moment. Interrupt me and I interrupt you. A shame. When did we start losing and stop giving? I remember I gave it time. I love my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 Wanna release it.
in bed thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust. Should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me, yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, cause what we had was gold, and you gotta know, I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, but I'm waking up now. Up, but it's time for me to be dropping down my defense. I realize I wasn't there for real. What I did didn't make any sense. How can I get you close? I see why you'd be so cold, but you need to forget everything that I've told you. Cause I ain't playing it low-key, baby. I'll bring you right back home. And oh, it dawned on me, yeah, yes it did. Was gold, and you gotta know, I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, I'm waking up now. I didn't know that I need you, yeah. Waking up now. You gotta know that I need you, yeah. I'm waking up now.
On repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down, and then you into my bed and under my skin. Oh, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. It's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound.
semi-functional kitchen. A garbage can, dog food, microwave. It's semi-functional. I could cook dinner in here tonight, so. Okay, on to the next one. And look at this. I am able to make dinner for my husband. Let me turn you. We are having cheese and spinach tortellini with chicken Alfredo with some Parmesan and a salad. I'm cutting up this beautiful chicken that my grandmother gave me. Easy, simple dinner, but I got the chicken. I got the kitchen functional enough to make dinner. So, in my book, that is a win. I got the kitchen functional enough to make a dinner. As soon as I get the rooms functional, which is probably what you're going to be seeing first, because I can't do anything into them until they're like functional, then we're going to start decorating. And I had a little taste today because I had to stop when I was out with my mom. I stopped at Home Goods, which is literally 5 minutes from my house, and I applied for a credit card. 5 minutes from Home Goods. This store, I was like, wowzers. But I didn't have the time to, like, you know, shop because I needed to get home, the whole thing. But this weekend, girls, we are going to Home Goods. And I am taking you along, and the things that I'm going to buy at this store. Oh my God, this Home Goods is amazing. So we're going to be doing a shop with me very soon. But I just needed to get my kitchen functional. So I hope this gave you guys some work in your kitchen, organization, get it done, some motivation. I so appreciate you guys. I'll be talking to you very soon in another video. Until then, take care of you. I love you.